Hi everyone, we're back with another great update to your full scope tools. We have completely revamped the social planner for you. As you can see, it looks a little different from the way it did before, but it's got a couple unique updates that we hope you will enjoy. First of all, when you click on the social planner, when you come here to marketing and social planner, you're going to see now this list view of all of your planned posts. As you can see here, everything that's scheduled and upcoming. And you can also easily toggle back and forth between the calendar and the list here, right up here on the right. So if we go to the calendar view, it's obviously going to load everything. We can see what's happening in this calendar layout on a monthly or a weekly basis, and we can come back to the list view. And on top of this, we've implemented a completely new feature, and that is social media statistics. So if you come over here to statistics, and you actually might have noticed in calendars as well, you can now see how many people liked, commented on, and shared your posts. And if you come to statistics, you can even see what your top performing posts were, how many likes they had, what that post was, on which platform. And you can also click a link here on the right, this little eyeball icon, to open that post directly on that page and take a closer look at it. So hopefully this will help you to understand which type of content is resonating with your audience so that you can, of course, create more content of that nature and help grow your business and reach more customers even faster and even better than before. So all of this is available already in your account. Again, the marketing social planner area, you're going to see things look a little different, but all the same features are there and some new ones are there as well. So we hope you like this update to the platform. If you have any questions about using the social planner, just reach out to our support team from within your account. We'll be happy to help you get things set up and help you understand all of the great tools that you have access to through this feature. Otherwise, we will see you in the next update video.